Oh, it's around the... Here we go. Right. G'day. Farmer Jane here. Just with a little update on what you can do to get rid of weeds. These guys here, I don't know if I've got that angle right, but that one there, the cows do not like that. They do not eat it. They eat everything else, but they do not eat these. I don't know, let me just, yeah, look at that. Hang on, I'll get over. That is a severe weed. Right, so what you can do, what you do with those is a natural remedy of turmeric, salt and lemon juice. And you make that up in a bucket and then you pour it on. You pour it on these guys and then they're gone. They end up looking like that. See that? That's a dead one. Getting eaten by mites. So turmeric, salt and lemon juice. Pour it. Oh, no, sorry, I can't do that anymore. No, bloody Roundup. You do the Roundup. None of this other stuff works, unfortunately. Just be careful. Because you got to get rid of those. I mean, the poor cattle dogs, they just get them in their paws and yeah, weed kill. It's probably the best option. Great.